Imagine a summer without the refreshment of iced drinks or an evening with friends without unlimited refreshing cocktails. Difficult, isn't it? Fortunately, the Koenig KB14 ice maker comes as a true revolution in your daily life, promising to transform your usual drinks into icy discs in the snap of your fingers. Compact, efficient, and stylish, this machine is everything you have dreamed of to meet your icy needs, and much more. If you're interested, feel free to click on the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours at the best price right now. Also, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products every day. This ice maker is ideal for families, cocktail enthusiasts, and anyone looking to enjoy refreshing drinks at home or during events. Compact and powerful, it is perfectly suited for kitchens, home bars, small businesses, or even for picnics and camping, provided there is access to electricity. The Koenig KB14 is a high-performance model with its ability to produce 12 kilos of ice per day. Imagine, you could fill almost 3 bags of ice in just 24 hours. Whether for cocktails, smoothies, or simply to cool your lemonade, quantity will never be a problem again. With it, you have a choice between 2 sizes of ice cubes, depending on your preference. A refreshing addition for children's sodas or a whiskey on the rocks for adults. The perfectly sized ice cubes are within reach, ready in just 6 to 8 minutes thanks to an ultra-fast production cycle. And guess what? You can own this product with a single click on the link in the description and order it now at the best price. The stainless steel body of the Koenig KB14 not only adds a touch of modernity to your countertop, but also ensures durability and ease of cleaning. The transparent lid allows you to monitor the production without interrupting the cycle. The LCD screen and water level indicator further simplify usage. No complicated installation is needed. Simply place the Koenig KB14 on the counter, fill the 2.1-liter reservoir, and let it do its job. The removable ice tray makes it easy to transfer the ice to your open blender. It's so simple that even a child could do it, of course under supervision. Lightweight and portable, this ice maker can accompany you in all your kitchen movements or even outdoors, as long as you have access to an electrical outlet. Its compact size of 25 cm long, 36 cm wide, and 32 cm high, along with its weight of only 9 kg, makes it ideal for all occasions, whether grand or intimate. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see hundreds of satisfied customer reviews and order it now at the best price. The R600A refrigerant, not only efficient but also environmentally friendly, minimizes your carbon footprint, while ensuring rapid and stable cooling production. Furthermore, the promise of spare parts availability for 10 years demonstrates Koenig's commitment to the durability and repairability of its products. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, speed of production. It produces ice in just 6 to 13 minutes, which is ideal for urgent ice needs. Advantage number 2, available ice cube sizes. There are 2. It offers the flexibility to choose between 2 sizes of ice cubes, suitable for different types of drinks. Advantage number 3, easy and intuitive use. Thanks to its LCD screen and transparent lid, using the machine is simplified and allows for easy monitoring of the ice making process. Advantage number 4, elegant design. Its stainless steel body not only provides a modern look, but also ensures increased durability. Advantage number 5, compact and portable. Easy to move and place on most countertops, making it convenient for events and family gatherings. Advantage number 6, environmentally friendly. It uses an R600A refrigerant, which is more environmentally friendly. Now let's move on to its few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, operating noise. Even though it is described as silent, some users may find the noise during the production cycle a bit bothersome, especially in a very quiet environment. In summary, the Koenig KB14 ice maker is the perfect ally for those who enjoy their drinks nice and cold. Whether you are a cocktail party enthusiast, a barbecue organizer, or simply someone who enjoys a cold drink at any time of the day, the Koenig KB14 is here to satisfy all your icy desires with ease and style. Don't miss the opportunity to enhance your drinking experience. Also, consider subscribing to the channel to discover the best products every day. To not miss out on this innovation that will change the way you drink, click the link in the description to order at the best price, learn more, and explore the hundreds of customer reviews that attest to the quality and efficiency of the Koenig KB14. Refresh your days with Koenig, where every sip brings us a little closer to the North Pole. With that, I thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.